Broadcast with breaking updates coming in. This is the first response coming in from the government on the Judge Cash scandal. Law Minister Arjun Singh Meghwal, while responding to reporters on the cash controversy, says that we must await Supreme Court Committee's report on the matter.
देखिए उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट कार्रवाई कर रहा है और आपके ध्यान में भी आया तीन जो जिसमें दो तो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं और एक जज हैं हाई कोर्ट के, उनकी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आने दो फिर बताएंगे। देखिए उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट कार्रवाई कर रहा है और आपके ध्यान में भी आया तीन जो जिसमें दो तो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं और एक जज हैं हाई कोर्ट के, उनकी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आने दो फिर बताएंगे। देखिए उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट कार्रवाई कर रहा है और आपके ध्यान में भी आया तीन जो जिसमें दो तो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं और एक जज हैं हाई कोर्ट के, उनकी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आने दो फिर बताएंगे।
Times Now's Priyank as well as Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. And remember, they've found the undeniable proof at the residence of the judge, burnt cash being found there. Sabyasachi, first to you. This is the first response coming in from the government. Of course, in the response, Arjun Meghwal says that we must wait for the Supreme Court committee to give its version of what happened.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, it's the first official reaction that has come in from the Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, where he says that the Supreme Court has taken cognizance of this matter and they have set up a three-member committee to look into this matter, and they have to wait for the report by the three committee to come out. Now, clearly, this is the first official response that has come in from the Law Minister. See, the Law Minister and the entire central government was maintaining their distance. Earlier also, the reaction that had been coming in from the central government was that it is a matter related to the judiciary and the judiciary is taking care of it. But finally, the Law Minister has spoken out. He says that let's wait for the report by the committee which has been set up by the Supreme Court. So clearly, the central government has also spoken in this regard. So clearly, a lot of new revelations coming out.
Yes.
We are reporting from the same spot where this morning we had found out the burning 500 notes from this particular area itself. So clearly, looking at these developments, the Union Law Minister has reacted.
Okay, all right. So clearly, it can't get bigger than this.